I've had a litany of surgeries, but most recently on January 10th, I had a bilateral knee replacement. Before the surgery, because of my bad knees, it caused both of my legs to bow out. The left one was really bad. It looked like pretty much like a cowboy. It was about a 4.5, 5-hour surgery where they took out the parts of my knees and replaced them with metal components and a plastic piece in between that replaced the meniscus. Prior to the surgery, I was really into lots of sports, played a lot of softball, hockey, rugby, etc. And that just took a toll on my body. Got to a point where I could no longer enjoy any activity. I couldn't walk anymore. Constant 24/7 pain. So it was a measure that I had to take. After the surgery, I was shocked to see that my legs are close to perfectly straight as they can be. I'm probably a couple inches taller too, so. My life, I believe, has improved dramatically. Although it's only been 4 weeks, I'm able to walk around, and for the first time in about 20 years, I have absolutely no knee pain. The rehab is pretty extensive. My surgeon prescribed a machine called an X10. Basically, you strap your leg into this machine and it flexes and extends your leg. They want you to be up and moving as soon as possible. I know that an hour and a half after my surgery, the nurses already had me up and walking in the hospital in the room. You know, to get back to daily life took about a week, just getting used to being stiff and sore, but again, no knee pain. The biggest thing is I wish I would have done this sooner. I don't know why I waited, 2-3 years. Having to live with daily pain and having to take pain medications to the point where they don't work anymore, I think it's just not a wise thing. So it's kind of hard to describe. It's kind of like a huge weight lifted off your shoulders. It's really noticeable. You can actually move around without feeling any pain. If you can be proactive and take care of all your ailments, I mean, this is the way to go. I'm impressed with Orchid because they make excellent products that help, give life back to the patients. I mean, without this product, I'd be moping around a grumpy old man with knee pain and not having any quality of life.